Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can restore your Apple Watch from a backup on the iPhone for the Apple Watch 7. So if you have recently just reset your Apple Watch, here's how you can restore it. First, switch on your Apple Watch by pressing on the side button, press and hold to switch on. After that, bring your Apple Watch closer to the iPhone. Now you might need to open up your Apple Watch app. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel this for now. And once you open up your Apple Watch, it will offer you to start pairing. So you tap on start pairing and then tap on setup for myself. Now say position your watch, your Apple Watch within the frame right here. So just going to place it in the, and if necessary, you might need to update your Apple Watch. So if it asks you to update, tap on the update now to update the software. Now during this process, make sure your Apple Watch is plugged into the charger. If it is not plugged into the charger, the update may fail. So make sure it is plugged into your charger and let your phone try to download the software and update your Apple Watch. Okay, after that, you want to tap on restore from backup and then choose the backup and then tap on continued. And then tap on I agreed, and then you need to sign to your Apple Watch. Okay, so I'll put in your Apple Watch ID, Apple ID and password, and then tap on the next button. Now next you can choose to share with Apple or don't share. I'm going to choose don't share, and then tap on the OK button. Next you can choose to set bold text and size, and you can choose to turn it on or off, and then tap on the continue button. Now we can set the Apple Watch passcode. So you can tap on create a passcode, and on your Apple Watch, put in the passcode. Next, you need to put in the passcode again. So we enter the passcode to confirm. Okay, on the next screen, you want to tap on the continue button and so that keep your Apple Watch up to date. So you can tap on the continue button to install the update now, or we can do that later. So tap on install updates manually. Later we can do that in settings. And here it asks you, do you want to set up Apple Pay now or later? We can choose set up later in Apple Watch app. And then it asks, do you want to set up emergency SOS and fall detection? If you do want, just tap on the continue button here. And then finally, I say, do you want to choose always on displayed? So tap on continued. Then we can choose grid view or list view. Select which view you like to use and tap on continued. And the Apple Watch is syncing, and just wait for the Apple Watch to sync with between your phone and the watch. And this get to know your watch is just basically information that you can view to learn how you can use your Apple Watch. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen and just let the Apple Watch. So we're also going to let the Apple Watch to install apps and doing whatever it needs to do to complete the setup process. And that is how you can restore your Apple Watch from backup. Now previously when I reset my Apple Watch, I have turned on voiceover, so you can see the Apple Watch is currently have voiceover switch on, and it is reading out the progress of the update right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.